Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you all this frame that I got here. I'm starting to open it already without y'all. But here we go, this is it. It's a 16 by 20 frame. It comes packed really nicely. Let me put this over here. Okay. And so this is what the frame looks like. Let me get some scissors here and open it up. I guess I'll open it from the back. So it's kind of a whitewashed wood, mapley kind of frame, I guess, is the color I got. Oops. Let me just pick that up. Where the dog gets it. So this is it here. It's 16 by 20, so it's a good size. And it looks like it's going to be pretty true to size. I'll tell you here in a second. It is on that side there, so we are about 19 and a half on the display side, so it's probably 20 would be good because it'll overlap, and then 15 and a half on that side there. So when we say 16, it'll be like a 1/4 inch will be hidden under the edges. So it's pretty cool. So it's nice. And on the back here, it's got the little hangers here, so you can hang it from that one that way there if you want to hang it this way, or this one here, it'll hang it right there. So it comes with everything. It says remove protective film. So the glass has some protective film on it. So I guess we're gonna have to remove that as well. Oh, I think it's acrylic. But pretty cool, I like this frame. So thumbs up for me.